Welcome back everybody to a review of a product called My PE Pack from GOPHER, and I received this one just this week. So as I open the box, I will tell you that there are many different versions of the PE Pack, and I'll show you that a little bit at the end. But as I open the box, you'll see that first thing I take out is a bag, and who doesn't love a bag to carry everything? So very nice for GOPHER to provide that for all the equipment that you're about to see. And next coming out is a 7-inch Classic Coat foam ball. Next, 3 different juggling scarves. Tons of activities that can be done with these. We have a plastic paddle as well, nice pickleball type paddle, very heavy duty, so that's really nice. And a lightweight plastic ball to go along with that. And then there is a pedometer that comes with it. Now this is the Phys.Ed Pro pedometer you see here, but GOPHER informed me that you're actually going to be getting the Phys.Ed Stream pedometer if you order one of the packs with the pedometer, so that's really nice upgrade of the pedometer there. Also some sidewalk chalk, a lot of different activities that can be done outside in the driveway or on the sidewalk for students. A 5-inch vinyl beanbag, which are nice because they're really easy to clean and they're heavy duty. Next, there is a 12-inch Ultra Fit light resistance loop, and as I open it, you'll see that there's some instructions that you can kind of take a look at, and it's very nice. Light resistance, be able to work on certain muscle groups. And also, they provide a medium resistance one as well. So, nice options there. And then there's the jump rope, 9-foot jump rope, which is good for most students. And finally, you get an Airmaster flying disc. So I have to say, nice variety of equipment to be able to address a number of different outcomes in physical education. Now the one that I just showed you is called the Physical Activity Pack, but as you'll see, there are a variety of different packs that you can order. Movement and Games, Sport Pack, Physical Activity, and the Starter Pack, and you see the prices range from $16 to $60. And they also have Limited Space, SEL Pack, Adapted PE, and the Fitness Pack. In addition, there are activities for each of the packs. So as you can see, all of the packs that we just mentioned, there's all sorts of different options here. And I'm going to click on Physical Activity because that's the pack that I have. And you'll see that there are units of instruction. So I'll click on the foam ball. And as you can see that there are outcomes, I can statements, using the piece of equipment, different teaching hints, and all different skills and activities for that particular piece of equipment. And if you look on the left, you'll see all those pieces of equipment are in the Physical Activity Pack, and they all have activities and even videos to go with them. So as you can see, these personal equipment packs can be used in a variety of different situations, whether at home or even at school, that our students can use to be successful in developing skills throughout the year. So take a look in the description of the video and you'll see a link to My PE Pack from GOPHER.